Hello grade 4. Grade 4, today we are going to discuss our grammar work. So please note down your grammar work and make sure that write on your rough register. Now let's start our grammar work. First of all is a story. The story title is Tit for Tat. I am reading this story, so please listen this story carefully and learn it. A tailor ran a shop in a town. He was good-natured. He had a pet animal. Every day when the elephant passed by tailor's shop, he gave him bun every day. They meet each other every day. So in this first paragraph, they are telling us that there is a tailor in the town and he had a pet animal elephant. Every day the elephant came and the tailor gave him something to eat. So in this way they become friends and they meet each other every day. One day the tailor was angry. He was not in a good mood. Meanwhile, the elephant arrived and put his trunk into his shop. Every day when he came, he put his trunk in the shop and the tailor gave him something to eat. But on that day, the tailor gave dirty, muddy water. It feels sad. So when it get the dirty, muddy water, elephant get sad. It came back quickly. So he was also in angry mood. So elephant came back quickly and put its trunk into shop and emptied it. So he threw all the muddy water into his shop. The whole shop looked as if plastered with mud. All clothes become dirty. The tailor was very sad, but it was useless to cry over spilt milk. Useless to cry over spilt milk, that there is no other way. So the moral is tit for tat, adle ka badla. If you do something good with the other, so it returns to you. But if you do something bad with the other, so it also returns to you, as in this story we learned. So this story is tit for tat. The next work, my class, I'm going to tell you, it's an essay about my dad, my world. So please note down your essay as I'm reading this essay. Everybody in life has a sport that never lets them down. This kind of a sport helps us to be positive throughout life. One such strong sport for me is my father, my hero. So in the first paragraph, they are telling us that everybody needs a sport in his life. And as you know that our parents sports us a lot, our mothers do everything for us. But my dear class, my dear students, Father is actually a real hero. Father did everything to fulfill your needs, so he is like a hero for you. My father name is dash. Here you write your father name. He takes care of us very well. He keenly watches and tries to know even the smallest wishes we have. So he fulfill our all wishes. He tries to fulfill our needs on time. He understands our problems very well. My father tries to spend time with us through well-planned family trips. As you know that fathers are a very busy person and they had less time than mothers. Mothers are all the time with us, but fathers have less time to spend with us. So do you remember that how our father planned trip for us? Actually they want to spend time with us. That's why they manage a family trip. I am really thankful to my father for giving me everything. I know I cannot become as great as my father, but I will make my hero proud one day. So in the last summing paragraphs, I write that as you know that you can't be like your father, but you can do something for him. What you can do? You can prove yourself. You can prove that you are the brave kid of your father. You show your good result to your parents. So in this way you can proud your father. Oh my world, my dad, I love you. Oh my world, my dad, I love you. So this is an essay, My Dad, My World. After next work will be my class. It's an application for fee concession. If you are poor student and your parents can't afford your fee, so in this way you can write an application to your school to that grant you concession. So let's start. The principal, comma, the Mount Sinai Schools Ravi campus, comma, Sadar Gugera, full stop. Respected madam, comma, with due respect, it is stated that I am a grade 4 class student in your school. My father works in a factory. His income is very small. He has to support a large family. I am very fond of education. My father cannot bear my expenses. Please grant me full fee concession so that I may continue my education. I shall be highly obliged to you for this kindness, full stop. Summing up, yours obediently, comma, XYZ. Here you will write your name, class, grade 4, date, and last parent sign. So this is application for fee concession. You have to learn and practice it. The last grammar work is about another essay, My Best Friend. Now let's start this essay. A friend is the most special treasure in our lives. So it's like a treasure. It never ends. Among all my friends, dash is my best friend. Here you will mention your best friend name. He or she studies in my class. I mention here both he or she. If your friend is a boy, so you write he. If your friend is a girl, so you write she. Studies in my class. We sit on a same bench. He, she is the favorite student of my class teacher. He is very studious and scores. Studious, he is good in studies and scores well in all the exams. Is very punctual and well mannered. We study together. We share our things with each other. He has brilliant handwriting. We wrote our homework together. My best friend makes me feel more secure and confident. He is always with me in any matter. I love my best friend a lot. My dear class, one thing I tell you, don't confuse about this he or she, that ma'am write here both, so you also write here both. I am repeating again. If your best friend is a boy, so you will write he, or if your best friend is a girl, so you write only she. Okay, so learn this essay and write on your rough register.